How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYANGBASS. That is right, guys. I'm ending the year by saying thank you guys so much for everything you guys have done for me, for supporting me, for watching my channel. This is going to be a quick summary closure of like 2019. I just want to say thank you guys so much because I love you guys from the bottom of my lungs. First off, I do want to address a couple announcements here because the way how YouTube works, right? I want to let my audience know, my viewers know, my followers, my subscribers, that I'm going to be changing my content just a little bit, just a slight tweak. If anything, you guys already know, my channel will be only for adults, right? Because of YouTube. So that is going to be the change. I know I have a lot of younger, I guess youth or younger, I guess kids, parents who have kids who watch my channel. I am sorry. I'm not going to make it like super adult rated R, right? I'm not going to say throw F-bombs and stuff like that. Things that I don't follow and things that I don't preach and I don't like for the public to hear or my audience to hear. But it will be more related to like maybe just different scenarios, like maybe wading the river, which is not for kids, maybe gutting a fish, maybe catch and cook and there's blood, you know, things like that that us adults wouldn't mind, I guess. Lean towards my adult side, right? The adult side of like audience, and it's just a complete mess, but I'm sorry. I apologize, kids. I'll do my best to keep it between the 13 and adult age, right? 13 all the way up to 25 or whatever, and I'll try my best to just keep it that way. I thought about it really hard. That's what I'm going to be doing. So just heads up to you guys, just heads up parents, if you do have kids who watch my channel. It was a hard decision. I do want to continue to do my YouTube channel. I do want to continue to promote fishing and just the general aspect of like outdoor activities and stuff like that. So I hope you guys understand. It's not going to be straight up cussing and swearing, okay? That's not me anyways, but I will slip in. I won't edit out any more of my oh shit and oh crap and oh hell, or you know, stuff that you guys say when you guys slip and fall or make mistakes. Yes. So now that we addressed that, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 2019. You guys are awesome. You guys rock for supporting my channel, supporting my merch here. I have so much going on right now that I just can't wait to share with you guys for 2020. So stick around, don't go anywhere. I got crazy giveaways coming your way. I've been working with a lot of bait shops and companies, fishing companies, apparels. I'm just so excited, guys. Seriously, I'm so excited and I love you guys and I don't want you guys to miss this. So with that being said, I just want to wish your family, the viewers, audience, aliens, animals, whatever you guys want to call yourself, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. So here are the 2019 clips that I think that were meaningful, that were awesome, that were just like so exciting to me. I couldn't wait to share with you guys. So here it is. Again, thank you guys for everything that you guys have done for me, and I can't wait for 2020. I'll see you guys out on the water. So these fish are pretty good. As you guys can see, beautiful fish. Got him. I'm on. Look at that fish. I got some. It's probably a buffalo. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Oh, she got it. She got it. Oh, death row. Ah! Shit. I got it! Woo! So, yep. I got people watching me catch steelhead here at the Menominee River. Camera on. That's a nice fish. Holy cow, it's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Hell yeah. Woo-hoo. Big ol' walleye. Oh my gosh, you guys check this out. That is crazy. He inhaled my fly, dude. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Get fine, just take it over there. I'm gonna switch baiting. Oh dude, it's coming. Oh, I'm on. Yep. It's a big fish, dude. Oh my gosh. It's a nice fish, bro.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's a big bass. This tank is a 4-pounder, bro. Let's go! Let's go, bro! Let's go! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude, that's freaking. Yes, dude.
What is this, a 5-pounder?
I don't know. I got a weight scale though. Oh my gosh, dude.
Dude. Yes, alright, we're gonna get some weight on this. We're gonna take some pictures and we're gonna let it go, okay? Check that out, dude. What a freaking tank. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. There he is, there he is. Oh god, god. What the freak? What the heck? That was cool. That was way cool. Skinny old pike.
Finesse.
Oh my god, I got one. I got one. I got one. Oh, I got a guard, bro. Let's go. I got a guard. Dude, I got a freaking guard. This thing's scary, bro. Oh shit. Alright. Catch and release, guys. Got a freaking guard, dude. This thing's pretty as heck. Alright. Oh shit. It's ready. Whoa, Danny. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, this is my PB right here. It's my PB. Oh my. That's a giant. Got fish. Got fish, Danny. Good.
You're not recording?
Yep, I am recording. It's a big fish. It's a big one, dude. It's a big one. Help me on. It's a big one. It's a big one. I'm gonna swing it. I'm gonna swing it in. Holy. Holy shit, bro. That's a 5-pounder. That's a 5-pounder, dude. That's a 5-pounder. Oh my gosh.
You guys, check this out. 4.7. Oh my gosh, dude. 4.7 right there. Alright, we're gonna get some picture. We're gonna get a release on her. Let's go, bro.
Big fish, bro. Coming out.
Big.
Grab it, Daddy. Hurry up. No.
Screw it. Screw it, bro. We got him.
Just never used it because. Oh shit.
Bro?
Yep. I'm good.
You good? You good?
Yeah. Got him. What the heck? Whoa. Dude, it's a nice largemouth. Oh my gosh. That's a good largemouth. Dude, it's a nice solid 2-pounder. That is so cool. It shouldn't take long at all too. Oh, I'm already on. I'm already on, guys. Oh my gosh. Not even like 10 seconds. Dude, already. I got him. That's a big one. I think it's a big one. There we go. Never. I don't want to touch you, bro. He's so fat. Oh my gosh. Got him. Go. I told you, bro. I told you. Oh shit. Oh, dude. I told you, bro. I'm not crazy, dude.
There you go. Nice and slimed up. Giant king. Look at that guy.
Got him. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, right by the dock. Going nowhere. Yep. Got the tail. Yes. Woo! They all feel like, there you go. They all feel like wet rags. That's a nice fish. Yes, bro. Look. See, this is what I'm talking about right here.
Yeah.
Got him. Oh my gosh. This thing is humongous, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm grabbing it. Grab the bomb, dude.
Wait.
Just grab it. No, where you grab you? Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
Your drag goes backwards.
I thought you fixed the drag.
No,
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys.
Finally. Dude, okay.
Cow.
Oh, this bro.
After how many tries? Seriously, Danny, how many tries?
Oh,
Finally
so many
stuck
failed
this
attempts.
Big river smallie. Yes. Thanks, Danny. That took forever, dude. Seriously, it took us how long? Like 30 minutes.
Yes.
3-4 hook sets and you couldn't pin them.
Let's go.
We have another one. I'm gonna let Danny have that one. I'm done. Seriously.